This is a tankless hot water heater. Very efficient unit. Does not utilize a tank, hence the name. It makes endless hot water, but not instant hot water. So keep in mind that when you turn on the water, it's going to turn on, it's going to heat the water, and it still has to get to your shower or your faucet or wherever you're asking for it. It is natural gas fired. It has a temperature adjustment here. You can adjust the output temperature of it. If the power goes out for an extended period of time, this is going to reset to a lower temperature. So just come down, reset it if you've had it turned up, in this case 120. Read your manual, because this is going to tell you the errors as far as what's going on. Could be venting issue, pressure switch, igniter, anything like that. It will tell you what's happening. I do recommend annual maintenance on this as well. They'll want to come out and check filters, take the unit off, make sure it's clean, make sure there's no debris in it. If the pop-off valve is leaking a little bit, like this, it's not a big deal. If it's running, then that's an issue. If it's continuously running, you'll want to shut the unit off. You can shut the unit off here with the quarter turn ball valve, just like that. This is the external vent for the tankless hot water heater. Sometimes we're going to see two pipes, intake and exhaust. This one is a concentric pipe that has a pipe inside a pipe. So we'll have intake and exhaust happening in the same place. This is important. If you get a lot of snow, the unit's going to give you a trouble code. It's not going to work, so keep it clear. If you got a bunch of plants or weeds in front of it, you want to keep those clear. This guy needs to breathe or your unit's not going to work properly.